And you got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out caraudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.
What you running here, man?
I got 4 Platinum 18s on 2 Taramps 12Ks.
To me, that's amazing. To you, that's
Yeah, stinky. Okay, I appreciate the demo, man. Where can are you on social media anywhere?
Not really.
I appreciate it. Know this bill. This thing look good, man.
Yeah. I'm on Yo3 Audio.
Okay. Y'all be sure to check it out. Yeah, man. Appreciate it, man.
Would you like to hop in mine next?
Yeah, bro. Where you at?
Right over here.
Oh, shit. I done dropped them in my pocket. All right. Still rolling? Yeah, you're still rolling. Subscribe to this man's YouTube page, all right? You hear me? All right, so appreciate it, man.
And you got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out caraudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.